Welcome children, this is Vikesh from Mount Litera Ji School Jhansi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of clothes? Some may say fashion, some color, some would say designer and some tailors. Those who say fiber are not wrong either. Fibers are after all the basic material that are used to make clothes. Some fiber are obtained from plants and animals and some are made by humans. So in this chapter we are going to discuss the first thing, animal fiber, that is wool and silk. So first animal fiber is wool. Wool is animal fiber. It is present as a thick coat of hair on the body of certain animals. Now the question will arise, do you know why these animals have a thick coat of hair that is also called fleece? Let us see. Hair trap a lot of air and keep them warm. Air get trapped in the space between the hair and does not allow the body heat to escape. This is why we wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay, just tell me how many are agree that when we are wearing a woolen clothes, it will protect us from winter. I think so many of say yes. Actually, what is the reason behind this? Actually, we thought that woolen clothes help to protect from winter. It is not like that. When you wear a woolen clothes, it's make layer around your body which help to do not escape your body heat to release into the atmosphere and do not allow the outside cold air to enter in your body. Because of this process, your body heat circulate around your body and make you warm. But when you wear a shirt in winter, your body heat release in the atmosphere and cold air enter inside in your body. That's why you start feeling cold. And one more thing you will remember, when you open your tiffin, many of time your mother is using a silver foil. So why it is? Silver foil make your food hot for a longer period of a time. So it is also work like a woolen cloth to keep your food heat inside the silver foil, so your food remain heat for or hot for a longer period of a time. But in the summer this process will reverse, because everybody like the cool or cold thing during the summer season. What will happen? We prefer cotton clothes in the summer, which allow body heat to release in the atmosphere and make your body cool. So during winter season we prefer woolen clothes, and during summer season we wear cotton clothes. Now the next heading which we are going to discuss, that is a wool from sheep. A sheep hair coat has two type of fibers. What are these? The coarse braid hair and the soft under hair found close to the skin. It is the soft under hair that used to make wool. The wool from different varieties of sheep, different in fineness, shine, length and strength, are used. You know, the finest wool is obtained from the merino, a breed of sheep originally from Spain. Their wool is very soft and light, and it is therefore used in making the finest woolen clothes. So as you can see, this is a merino sheep which can give the finest wool in the world. Now for getting a wool you need to rear the sheep. Rearing means होता है पालना. So keeping animal and caring for them to obtain useful product is known as rearing. So In India, sheep are rare in the hilly region of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Around the world, sheep are rare in countries ranging from the hot desert region of Australia, Asia and the Middle East of cold countries of Northern Europe, Russia and Iceland. Here I am showing you some Indian breed. Just like Lohi will give you a carpet good quality bull, Nali carpet good quality bull, Bhakarwal Bulan shawl, Marwari carpet Korsa quality bull and Patawadi, that is a horsey like socks and stocking. So these all are the Indian breeds. So at last I will give you a small worksheet that you can solve it out by watching the video completely, and do it in a notebook. So we will discuss when the school will school will open.